I'm going to show you how to do a third loop half double crochet headband. I like this because it looks like it's a knit stitch, and I can't knit to save my life, so this is as close as I get. So to start out, you are going to need your yarn needle, your scissors, and we're going to be using an N hook, which is 9mm. The yarn I'm using is 5-ounce weight, but you can very easily do it with worsted weight yarn if you just put like 3 together. That's what I did with this one. 3 different corresponding colors. So you are going to make your slip knot, leaving a tail so you can weave it in later. Insert your hook, and you're going to chain 43. Once you've chained 43, you're going to join them with a slip stitch in that first chain, being careful not to twist that. So we're joining with a slip stitch, like so. And then we're going to chain 2, and we're going to half double all the way around. So we yarn over, through, pull up a loop, yarn over, through all 3. And we're just going to do that all the way around. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, through all 3 loops. So do that half double through each stitch all the way around. Once you've finished with your first row, we're going to join in this first stitch with a slip stitch. Insert your hook, grab your yarn, pull it through just like so. Now we're going to chain 2, and this is where the third loop comes in. So we usually crochet, into these V's here. But for the third loop, we go through this back little loop that it makes right there. And there, and there. So you just half double crochet into those. So we're going to yarn over, put it into that first third loop. See, there's our V there. So we're putting into the third loop, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3. Yarn over, here's where we usually go, there's that third loop, pull up a loop, put it through all 3. Yarn over, through that third loop, pull up a loop, yarn over, through all 3. So just keep doing that around, going through that third loop. Now we're going to join row 2 together with that slip stitch again. Chain 2. We're going to third loop, half double around again. So yarn over through that third loop there, pull up a loop through all 3, yarn over into the third loop, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3. So keep doing that around for row 3. So I joined my third row with a slip stitch, and now I'm chaining 2, and we're going to go through that third loop again for the 4th row. Just keep doing that around. You can see it's really starting to look nice. I love this striping yarn. It's just turning out really pretty. So I joined row 4 with the slip stitch again, and we're going to chain 2 more and do this half double through the third loop, And you're going to do this for 2 more rows, rows 5 and 6. Now we join that row 6 with the slip stitch, and then we're going to leave ourselves a decent tail for weaving in. Cut that off. Pull that tail through with your hook. Tighten it up. And then we're going to weave in the ends. So put your yarn on your tail. Put that on the needle. We're going to weave the ends in. This is your inside. The knit look is your outside. So we want to weave into the inside. So we go through a couple stitches this way. And back through the other way. Cut off the extra. Same thing with our other tail. Put the yarn in our hook, or in our needle. And we're going to weave this in as well. One way and back the other way. And cut off the extra. And there you have it. Nice knit look. Please like my video and subscribe for weekly crochet tutorials.